Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited. I am going to be unboxing the Rooftop Garden Scentsy Warmer. I've been wanting this one and I finally got it, so we're gonna unbox it. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so today we are going to open the Rooftop Garden Scentsy Warmer, and I am so excited. So let's get into it. I have been wanting this one. It is so pretty. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, it's got a frosted round dish. Okay, let's take it all out. Then I'll show you guys. And you know I'm not doing boxes anymore, so that's going to be going away. Okay, let's see. Hold on. So I went ahead and put the bulb in. Let's go ahead and put the dish in and check her out. All right, let's see. 1, 2, and 3. So pretty, you guys. So stinking pretty. I love how you can actually feel the design on it. So I just love the texture. It's such a gorgeous warmer. I love it. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys. I will be styling this soon, and then I will post all my new stylings that I'm doing probably next week. I don't know. We'll see. All right, you guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.